Hi, I'm Sandy.
And I'm Devin.
We are small group leaders with the Free to Love Again workshop. For the past 18 years, the Free to Love Again workshop has been helping people heal from broken relationships.
Our workshop is designed to help people heal from past pain and hurt from broken relationships. Our goal is to provide you with the tools, resources to enter into healthy, life-giving relationships, free from the pain of your past.
After my divorce, I attended this workshop. I received so much healing that I wanted to bring hope, healing, and freedom to others.
I've been a leader in the workshop for the past 4 years. In every workshop, I've received healing in different areas of my life, sometimes in areas I wasn't even aware of. This has helped me to find, build, and maintain healthy relationships in all aspects of my life.
Join us November 14th to 16th at Vineyard, Laguna, Niguel.